Yeah, man. Yeah, man, we're back. Boy, I'm telling you, man. I'm gonna start my traditional slow game that I always kick the stream off with. Man, I've been running wild, man. Cleaning my place, getting it ready. E4, we play C5. 1700. This is rating points, man. This is rating points. I say we win this game. Knight C6. Good play here. Bishop E2. He's playing like a really slow situation. Hasn't played D4 yet. I think I'm gonna play A6. No, I should develop. Well, A6 is part of developing this situation. Knight F6 is fine. Hey, Montes. Howdy, man. Dylan. Dude, my day is going so good, and it's ironic that Dylan Sheen asked me, because my brother Dylan, he's on an airplane right now from California, and I cannot wait to see my brother and sister and my nephew. Oh my god, I'm so excited, guys. I'm so freaking pumped. I just hosed down the porch, washed the last of the dishes that were in the sink. I am smoking in the house. Courtney would kill me, but I got to. We play now. Do we play? What do we play? This is an interesting variation. I don't think I want to play G6, right? I think I want to play E6, man. E6. Man, Alan, thank you for the like. Alan Hockout, thank you for the like, man. Appreciate you. Now, take with the pawn or the bishop. His bishop is better than mine if I take with the pawn and he backs up. So I'm going to take with the bishop. You know what? Nothing huge and in particular. They're going to be here for a week. And Texas, thank goodness, is pretty opened up right now. So we can totally go out to eat. And the weather's going to be cool this week. So it's just, it couldn't be better, man. It couldn't be better. We do have a lunch planned with my kids. I want a queen b6 so bad. Queen c7. And then just play d5 because I can. You gotta play d5 when you can in the Sicilian. I think that was he misplayed this opening. Okay, now we definitely take back with this pawn. Knight b5 is an idea. It's a move. I could possibly play queen a5 to that. Montes Kusingas says, well, working. I am at home, actually. A hotel still at work situation till Friday. Cool, man. Well, dude, love to see that you're getting stuff done, okay? And I said, dude, is that I call girls dudes. To me, dude, it could be a girl or a guy. I just say dude. Plays, okay. Knight b5 is a good move for him. So I think, well, no, because I can answer it, man. I can answer it with just takes. I think pressure. Hey, Mustafa, how are you, man? Welcome back. And Wolfman, thank you for the like. Welcome back, guys. I'm so happy to be here. I think an idea is pressure. You know what I'm saying? Maybe apply a little bit of pressure to this guy. Dude with punk hair. Good. Okay, cool. It's a good picture, man. It's a good picture. My hair, I get these really, really cool curls down here. And I've had people from behind me, because a lot of times I'm like a think I want to be a rock star. So, hey, Tony, how you doing? So I'll wear like really tight pants to gigs and stuff. And I've had people before think I was a girl from behind. Kaylee, how are you? Welcome, welcome. Tony, thanks for the like. I'm doing wonderful, Kaylee. I'll probably repeat it 100 times on this stream, but my brother and my sister are on a plane to come see me, and my nephew from California. I'm in Texas. So I'm excited. Plays a rook to the file. What's he gonna do? What's he gonna do? Okay, now I think we will play A5. Yeah, you know, trying to be. Your profile picture is actually very cool, Montes. I dig it. Yeah, Chase, how you doing, man? And yeah, it is great. I am so freaking excited. Now, Queen C4? I don't think so. Well, this is okay now. So why don't we do something like Rook B8 and apply the pressure that we deserve to be able to apply because we have open lines. Hey, someone's dropping something. Adam, how you doing, brother? You got done cutting grass, Kaylee? Very cool. And Chase, you're from Oklahoma, man. You know, you ever heard of Kingfisher? Ooh, I didn't even see this move. And then he can mess my pawns up. But he's not gonna checkmate me, man. He's not gonna checkmate me. And he's losing over here on the queen side. He could lose so bad. When I start taking this stuff, this queen is gonna defend. Kingfisher, I was asking Chase. He's from Oklahoma. I went there one time to help my grandmother get hay for horses when I was a kid, says Chase. Man, when I was 21 years old, it's near Oklahoma City, right? Which, by the way, I think is the largest geographical city in the United States. I seem to remember that. Geographically. Just the city limits, you know what I mean? I had this girlfriend. She was my first big, real, serious girlfriend. I was 21. I had girlfriends before that, but this was my first real one. And she moved to Oklahoma, and we were in California. And she moved to Oklahoma. She had to. So I guess you could say we broke up, but it wasn't a fight. She just said she wanted to get married. She's like, and she had a baby, and I was 21, and I'm like, I don't know if I want to start my life off with a baby. I'm getting ready to open a business, and I just couldn't do it. But we were friends. So either way, she goes to Oklahoma, and one day I wanted to see her. Ben, how you doing, man? Thanks for the like. And Khalid, thanks for the like. Sahar, thanks for the like. 50 years from now, Oklahoma City will be huge. Yeah, I bet it will. So I wanted to see her, man. So I told my dad I'm taking a couple days off, and told my mom I'm driving to Oklahoma. And I just hopped in my car and left at 7 a.m. And I drove. I think it took me 26 hours. And I stopped for gas and food. And I did stop and get a hotel room at about 3 in the morning. I paid like $40 for a dirty hotel room. I went in this hotel room because I wanted to get to the girl, man. You know when you're young, you want to get to that girl. I went and I laid down in the bed and stared at the dirty ceiling. Called my mom. Oh no. Oh, okay. Man, am I falling for tactics here? I'm falling for tactics already. I was better too, and I just allowed this move. And so I probably was in the hotel room for half an hour. Then I got back in the car and just started driving again. So I basically drove about 26 hours. Get to the girl, went and saw her. We had a nice weekend, and then I turned around and came home, man. We actually went to a ranch, a really cool place in, I think it was Tulsa County. How do I get out of this? I think I have to sack an exchange. I'm looking at rook takes knight, bishop takes. Man, and then queen takes, and can I play rook takes pawn even? He doesn't have any back rank checks. Is it my only move? Is it my only move to sack the exchange? Queen c4 doesn't do anything, it just loses a piece. I think I'm losing a piece, guys. I mean, an exchange. Adam, welcome, man. And Zach, thanks for the like. So, my chess rating, we'll talk about that. Yeah, it was a long drive, man. Yeah. No, I that's why I'm here, man. I'm here to hang out with you guys. No check. And I don't want him to get c4. Problem is back rank situations, man. But I think desperate situations call for desperate measures. Now he can play rook over, trade. Oh, he didn't want to. Wow. Threatening a check and trading queens. My knight will be good. Ooh, this is probably a good move. No, it's not because of the pin. This is really not good, guys. He has two passers. I feel like I need to take one. Then he can force the queens off. No, he can't. He can't. I'm snacking, guys. You drove like 30 hours straight one time to Northern Cali from Oklahoma. No sleeper room. Yeah, man. Yep, Eddie. Or Chase, I mean, that's a drive, dude. Not fun. No, what did you do that for, though? See, were you going to see a girl? Were you a 21-year young man who just wanted to see a girl? Now I believe I need to take, as much as I don't want to. I think I have to take and play h6, sadly. Then he has an easy plan, but I have attacking ideas too, and my knight will be on a good square. I'd rather have my knight here though, right? Now I have to waste this move. Vacation and business. Okay, cool, man. Very cool. And I love the way I called my brother and my sister, and it went straight to voicemail for both of them because they're on a plane, man. Kitaka, welcome back. How are you doing? Good day to you. Kumasta. Still have to go back and watch that 100 times. Everyone, but you would never drive again. Not as young anymore. Yeah, I feel you, Chase. Jensen, hey, what's up? What's up with you, Jensen? Hey, good. I'm down in exchange with no compensation, and he is going to just roll me over. Okay, there's a check chasing my king here, which does nothing. I need... I want... Centralize the knight, man. Maybe better to get the queen in. Can I attack anything? I'm gonna put the knight. I'm losing this game. Right? Does this lose something? Did I hit two things? No, but I can threaten F2, and I don't see how he can defend it. Which is really, really weird. This is like so weird that he gave me this, guys. Now, take with the knight and threaten the discovery. Or take with the queen and get the check. I think I can draw this, so I'll win points. I might have a draw. I've always found chess interesting, but never learned, Chase says. I played checkers a lot, but that's easy. Dude, I love, Chase, that you come and hang out with us and you don't even play chess. But let me recommend something. Go watch a chess video on YouTube called My First Chess Lesson. I'm sure there's 1,000 of them. Gotham Chess is probably a really good one. And in 10 minutes, you'll know how to play chess. Then when you come back, not only will you hang out, but you'll be learning something, and you'll understand what's going on. You know what I'm saying? Max, how you doing, Max? Oh yeah, dude, you're a smart guy, man. In 10 minutes, you'll know how to play. Then even make an account on chess.com or pull up any chess program you can and just play a game of chess. And lose, it doesn't matter, but move the pieces and start feeling what it feels like to play chess. It's such a wonderful thing. This is Sebastian Gonzalez says, thank you. Everything good, Max. How you doing, man? I am so glad to be back on stream. Sorry for the odd time, guys. Fernando, what's up, my brother? How you doing, Fernando? My brother and sister are on a plane coming, man, and I am pumped. The house is clean. I just hosed off the porch, washed every dish. Ooh, I gotta make the bed. Yeah, I'm not gonna stream till they drive up. I think their plane lands in 2 or 3 hours, so I'm fine. I am fine. Yeah. What's up, King of the Move, Work, and Chess Time? Yeah, man. Freaking love it. Freaking love it. Courtney's gonna kill me, guys, because we clean the house and I'm smoking in the house. But I did tell my brother and sister it's gonna smell like the smoking room. If you get a smoking room at a hotel, do they even have those anymore? Dusty, thanks for the welcome, man. Missed you, man. You didn't stream yesterday, did I? I didn't. I came home and was cleaning my house, getting ready for my brother and sister. And that got done because my internet was off all day yesterday. Then it came on for a second, and I'm like, oh, I was having trouble streaming the day before another issue. And so I went to see if I could stream, and everything looked good. And I'm like, okay, I'll stream. Then it shut off again. It was off for an hour. So what I did from there, I think I take the draw, right, guys? I think I take the draw. I have 11 minutes. You always smoke cannabis in the house, but not cigarettes. Yeah. Cannabis in the house does not make the house smell near as bad. When you get that really dank cannabis smell, like a teenager who smokes in his room 24 hours a day, it can stink pretty bad. But otherwise, you just light up a joint, get a little bit of air, smoke a little bit. That doesn't, I think maybe we're not supposed to talk about that. Well, it's legal in some states, right? Now the question is, do I play for a win, which is how I always lose? If I play knight takes pawn, he can step out. And if he does, I will check. Oh, I can just win the rook. Queen check, queen c1 check, king a2 h2 forced, queen. Can I take this pawn check? King h2. And then check. And if he interposes the pawn, I will have this check and knight here mate. So I think I can actually take this pawn. Let me analyze this. Guys, check out this move, man. Don't draw. No. Yeah. I got him now. Dylan, you guys watch what I'm going to do here. Thanks for the stars, Fernando. Thank you, brother. Love you, man. Appreciate you. Okay, here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to play queen takes pawn, queen takes f2 check, right? This is my first move. King here, king h2 is forced. Then I'm going to check. If he has no other replies, if he plays g3, he gets mated by queen f2. King h1 is forced, and then the knight will mate from here, believe it or not, if you know that pattern. Queen here and knight here's mate. Okay, so after this check, he can't play g3. He has to come back to the back rank, at which point I will play queen C1 check. Then his king must come to H2. It's his only move. Then I will play queen C7 check, and I will take this. It's just more efficient. It's more efficient than only winning the rook. I'm going to win a pawn first. Is that a mistake? Okay, I will check here, right? That was my plan. Then I will check here on F4. Then I will check on this square, and then I will check on this square. And if not, he gets mated. We got this analyzed down to the win of the rook at least. Yeah, man. I appreciate the explanation of the lines here. It makes it a lot easier for me to learn these types of mates. Yeah, you're welcome, Kenny, man. I hope I'm right. I believe I'm right. Guys, I lose the first game of the stream almost every time because I'm getting settled. Thank you for the follow. Lesber, thanks for the follow, man. Ooh, I forgot to put my damn chat bot on, guys. Type !notify to follow. Right? And then I would play this check. We talked about this. We've already analyzed it. He has one move. And then I will check and pick up the rook. Now, if there's a way to mate him with the knight and queen, then I am not doing this right. And I don't think there is. I think I'm going to be up a knight. Hey, Fat Wanda, how you doing, man? I'm doing great. Mustafa, thank you for the like. Khalid is here. Thank you for the like, Khalid. I am from Bisaya Bros page. Awesome. Good for you, man. I've seen you. Guys, I can't believe I won this game. I can't believe I won this game. I never win the first game. Well, I do. I won one a long time ago. No, Jensen, this cannot lead to a draw. My king is way too safe, so he's not going to get perpetual check. Okay? Oh, thank you, Lesber. I appreciate it, man. This is dead one for black. I mean, I would have to very, very serious, because he can't queen this pawn by itself, especially with my knight. Plus, his king is so loose. What? My queen will be passive, right? Everything is protected. His only chance is to start shoving this pawn, and I will stop it with my knight and my queen. And if he starts checking me, I even may play a preventive move, prophylactic move, and cut back to h7. Yeah, he resigned. We got him, man. Yeah, you're right, man. Oh, you're welcome, Lesber. I appreciate it, man. I appreciate it. It was worth the follow, man. So, Angelo is liked. Manuel Brachino. How you doing, Manuel? Oh, wait. How do I abort? Abort. I want to go to this game we just played and take a quick look at it. Do the, oh, I gotta go to profile. They need to make a button to get to your games right away. I think it's kind of ridiculous. Okay, let's go to analysis. So, yeah, thank you guys. Okay, let's look at the report. He played with 87.5% accuracy, and I played with 95.3. And the reason I played with 95.3 is because I gave him that free exchange. Okay, so we're going to go for key moments. There's not going to be a lot because I played accurately. That's my last book move. Let me get you guys here so you can see what's going on. Queen d6 is a mistake. Retry. This is better. That's a blunder. Oh, just defend the rook. Just defend the rook? Maybe by this move? Okay, queen c4. Oh! I didn't have to lose an exchange? Jensen said, oh, my bad. I just thought he'll capture my knight after the rook capture. Well, he could capture the knight, but I could take back. Because my knight. Yeah, I don't think he could. I don't think he could. Kataka, if you want to play while I do the review, please get on chess.com and send me a challenge for a 15-minute with a 10-second increment game, okay? And tell me your name in comments right now so I know it's you. And do that, and I will accept it. Okay, so I didn't have to lose an exchange, guys. That's a mistake. What's a better move? What's a better move? Defend the pawn, maybe? It's better, but it's an inaccuracy. Take a hint. Yeah, man. Kataka Joseph. Okay, cool, man. Go ahead and send me the challenge, and I'll accept it. Another mistake. Probably should have played h6. Yep, and I knew I had to do that, but I'm like, I'm losing. I cannot give him two connected pass pawns, okay? Next key moment. That was best. It was like only, right? That was best. It was like only. That was best. It was like only. Now, I want to go to analysis, and I want to see if all this was right. That's good. What's better? Knight g3 check. King h2. Knight f1 check. King h1. Knight e3. And his best move was queen g4 check. Okay. See, so there was a way to mate him. There was a way to mate him. And I got my challenge, so we're gonna start a new game. Okay, I need to remember that idea because his queen really couldn't stop the mate. All right, Kataka, let's do this, man. Let's play e4 against Kataka. Yeah, we got the challenge, man, from Kataka. He wants to play e4, e5. I'm gonna play bishop c4. Someone asked me what my chess rating was. My over-the-board chess rating in the United States Chess Federation right now is like 1830, I think. On the books, that's what it is. I was 1994 at one point, which is 6 points away from being your first title, which is an expert. And that's why I started playing chess again and why I started streaming. Because when things open up fully, and I'm going to go start playing chess tournaments over the board, and I am going to achieve at least my expert title. And I'm so looking forward to that. And this is all just getting better, man. This is all because I was close. And the reason I dropped from 1994 to 1830 was simply because I stopped competing regularly. I'll tell you, from the next stop from expert is master, but that's where it ends for a lot of people. It is not easy to become a master. It's not easy to become an expert. But even 2100 there's a big difference in understanding, you know? Yeah, thank you very much. I love it. This stream has helped me so much get better at chess. And it's I won't be talking in those tournament games, right? Plays d5. Do I play knight d5? Oh, I see. It doesn't lose a pawn. Does it just lose a pawn to this? What's the best way to play this? I gotta look at this. Just got a message. It's probably a friend request on chess.com. Nope. I have to look at this because, like, and the reason why I'm looking at it, I hate looking at my phone when I'm on stream, right, guys? But my brother and sister, my brother and sister are on their way. They're traveling, so I have to stay in touch with my phone. That was our friend and newest mod, Jake Murray, out of Dublin, Ireland. Jake and Jonathan Thrasher are our two newest mods. So when the chat gets crazy, we get trolls, we get anything stupid, spam. I had like 96 people in the viewing one time, and people started spamming and stuff I didn't want in the chat, and I was all alone. I didn't have any help. So we're building up the team. I'm looking at pawn takes pawn. And then if knight a5 hitting my bishop, queen e2, knight takes, bishop takes d5. I think I just take the pawn. That hangs this pawn, and I really don't want to hang this pawn. This forces him to answer. I'm like, is there tactics here? Does Itaka like know this opening? Because I'm already thinking like, he's got pawn pushes. I'm thinking I want to play rook e1, but then f2 becomes weak. So I'm not exactly sure, man. I'm not exactly sure. And thank you for the kind words, Lesber. I appreciate that. Okay. Hanging this pawn, so I think I take it. And then on queen f3, at the end of all this, I think queen f3 or maybe even queen h5, if he tries to win the pawn back, I'm gonna have pressure. Hoping he takes with the f6 pawn, but I don't think that's correct. Smonello Buthelezi. Welcome to the stream, man. Thanks for the like. Okay. He understood that opening up the diagonal to this square is not good. I think I play d4, right? Because it defends my knight and attacks his bishop. And it lets my bishop out. That can come... Oh, man. Did he pre-move that? You made a mistake, man. I'm attacking your bishop. And I absolutely, positively have to take it. I have to watch out for mates and stuff. I mean, he could technically, he's got pieces near my king. Okay, that's probably a good move. Now I can sack and play this check. No, I can't. I think I play this move. Hit the knight. No, everything's protected, man. Everything's protected. Do I play bishop e3? Or do I play... no, you know why? Because if I play bishop g5, he can castle. If I play bishop e3, I'm doing some kicking. Bishop e3. our artwork man, Nate Dog on chess.com, just sent me a cool thumbnail for Chess After Dark when I do my late streams. Oh man, knights move backwards. Sorry. That's okay, Kataka. You were doing great. You were doing great at the beginning in the development stage, and now you're just gonna have to learn how to not to drop your pawns and your pieces and stuff. I want to develop my queen somewhere, but he's got so many pieces. They're so annoying. I think I can bring a rook now. Ooh, there's also a pin. It could be a little bit of a nasty pin. I'm gonna move this piece twice in the opening. Because I really, I'm gonna pin this. I'm not really like loving anywhere I could put my queen. You know what I'm saying? This bishop is actually placed very well. I'm up a queen, so I don't have to worry too much. But I still want to make the best move. That's, you know, I'm learning from this game because I want to make the best move. Okay? I attacked it. See guys, what his mistake is, he didn't say what does he threaten, and therefore that's how I get the free knight. Every time your opponent moves, Chase, once you learn how to move the pieces. Shane, welcome to the stream, man. Thanks for the like. Appreciate you. Appreciate you. Those likes, man, they help, guys. They help. Every time your opponent moves, you need to, and thank you, Jamie. Hey, Jamie, how you doing, man? Welcome to the stream. Every time your opponent moves, you must ask yourself, what does he threaten? It's the law of chess. That will hang a pawn. And I'm like being greedy. I have no checks. Now I feel really good about queen d2 because all those knights are gone. You know what I'm saying? Okay, he just wants to open some stuff up, but see, I don't have to just answer this, guys. Just because I say, what does he threaten? He's attacking my pawn. It's defended twice, so I can take, or I can do nothing and just bring a rook. My rook wasn't playing. Bring a rook into the game. You know what I'm saying? Bring a rook into the game. Thought I turned that on. It's on now. And let me see. Let's go right here. The new artwork got posted. Am I not live? Says I'm live. Why don't I see my stream? Why don't I see my stream on my feed? Okay, well it's there. You guys are here. That's probably not a bad move. I'm just gonna bring the other rook because it's still okay. I have so many ways to defend it. You see, because after pawn takes pawn, my knight's pinned to my queen. But this knight can come back to e3 to protect it, and then I can play c4 to protect it. He's not going to win that knight. Jamie, dude, my day is going so good. I'm so excited. My brother and sister are on a plane coming to see me, and my nephew Brandon. They're all on the way, man. They're all on the way. Okay, there's another message I have to check because, you know, something good. Oh, that's okay, that was Andreas. Cool. What did she say? Okay. That's probably not a bad move because after pawn takes, my knight is hanging. So I think I'm going to push the pawn now. I think I'll be okay. Yeah, man, I am excited. No squirrels. Well, not in the middle of the day, Mustafa. We are not animals, right? I must not engage in squirrels. Plus, my family is on the way. Oh, no, 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 no. Just bring the piece that's not playing. Bring the piece that's not playing. I wanted to do something dumb, and it's like, no. Bring the piece that's not playing. So there will be no squirrels today. The reason why I'm not afraid to weaken my king side, normally you would not weaken your king side, right? But that's what I say in one of my instructional videos is, first thing you learn is all the rules of chess, the right way to play. Then you learn how to break the rules. And one of the rules is don't push pawns in front of your king. Okay? But then you learn later that if your king can't be attacked, then it's okay. So now he has to save his bishop, and then it'll be my move again. And I think I will. Do I push this pawn? I don't want to be leading with my queen, so I may play queen f4. I might play queen f4. That might be a good move. We shall see. I'm so glad to have my stream back. It's my knight. It's a move. It's a move. Queen f4 protects it. And it hits the pawn on f6. If he takes, I would love it if he takes, because I'm up material. I'm up a piece and a queen. So every trade helps me. Because if all the pieces come off, if they all get traded evenly, I have a queen and a knight. I'm ahead, right? J-A-C-O. Jaco, how you doing, man? Thank you for the like. Appreciate you, appreciate you, appreciate you. See, so and again, a position like this, white is just dead one. The game is basically over. Now I'm hitting f7. Game is basically over, but I still can search to find the best move. The same way you can do it in a difficult game against a better player that maybe has you in a worse position. Hey, thank you for the like. If anyone can read this guy's name right here, tell me what it says. I'm gonna repeat it. Look at this alert. It's gonna pop here in a second. Is it Arabic? Can anyone read that? Yo, Nick, what's happening, dude? Welcome, man. Welcome. And then we have mate and 2. And now I can pre-move this because it's mate. Kitaka, man, you played a good game. We're gonna take a quick look at this game. If Kitaka, if you're paying attention, if you're watching, let's take a quick look at it and see what we could have done better. Okay. The biggest mistake Kitaka made was when I moved, he didn't say what does he threaten. Okay, let's get the, here we go. These Kitaka, every move you played is Grandmaster move. So far, you're doing great. D5 is a mistake. Because it just drops a pawn. You just need to analyze in your head, can I play D5? It's attacked 1, 2, 3 times, but it's only defended twice. So you can just count like that and say, hey, Mark, thanks for the like. And Soheb, thanks for the like. So that tells you can't play D5. Unless you're sacking the pawn for initiative for something, right? So D5 was definitely a mistake. What's a better move in this position? Kitaka, tell me, what's a better move in this position rather than dropping the pawn? Someone tell me a better move in this position. Hey, Jake, how you doing, brother? There's a couple of perfectly fine moves. that go along. Our plan in the beginning of the game is, as Yasser Sarawan says, to claim your fair share of the center, to develop your pieces, and to castle. That is your goal in the opening. Okay, I love the suggestions. Soheb, we'll start with castling. No, I'm not gonna start with that one. Okay, you guys like an idea you guys are thinking of is knight a5. Let me tell you why I think that's not a good move, and it's also not listed in the computers. Some of you guys are watching on your phone, so you might not be able to see this. But the computer is suggesting 3 moves, and 2 of them are the moves I was going to say. The reason why knight a5 is not good. Kim, my sister, are you online on a plane, Kim? Guys, that's my sister. She's the one that's coming to see me. And I'm gonna tell you guys why knight a5 is bad. Because knight a5 moves a piece twice in the opening before. Oh, thank you, Jaco. Kim, what are you doing? You on a plane with Wi-Fi or something? Knight a5 moves the same piece twice in the opening. You're not castled yet, and this bishop is not developed yet. Therefore, knight a5 is not a good move. If you're really trapping my bishop, but my bishop can save itself, then your knight is on the edge of the board. Knight a5 is not a good move in this position. As a matter of fact, it's a bad move. b5, it's a forcing move, but I can just take. On b5, I just take. It just gives me a pawn. So b5 is not good. Our goal in the opening is to claim our fair share of the center. This is according to Yasser Sarawan, great grandmaster. Develop our pieces and castle. And therefore, you have done that. You have totally... Look at this, man. Look at this central control that you have. You have claimed your fair share of the center. You need to develop your pieces and castle. Therefore, castling is a great move. Another great move is d6. Protecting your pawn. Now this bishop has come out. He can play out here. And opening up your last piece to develop your piece. Okay, so that is why not only did d5 lose a pawn, one thing I like about d5, okay, even though it lost a pawn, tactically it didn't work. You were opening up your bishop. So that was a good idea. Basir, 3:52 a.m. Basir, what are you doing up so early, Basir? Basir, get some sleep, man. Get some sleep. Right now it is 2:53 in the afternoon, 2:53 p.m. So my sister says hi, but maybe she can't listen. Kim, are you on the plane? So and what was that? Victor de Leon. So that's why d5 just loses a pawn. It's not good. Better moves here. d6, castles, and you're still playing like a grandmaster if you would have done that. After d5, that's a mistake. I took the correct way, which was good. That's not quite as good. It wants knight d4. But now we're okay. Yes. So I get the e-pawn for free. That was the best move. Bishop f5. I like the way you're developing your piece. This is in the theory we were talking about developing your pieces. So, or castling might have been just as good there. As a matter of fact, let's ask the computer. Oh yeah, well no, this was the mistake, because when I play d4, every time your opponent moves, you have to say, what does he threaten? I'm threatening to take a piece. Well, it will undefend my knight. So I can take on c5, and then you can play queen takes back, even though that lets my rook come over for free. But technically it doesn't drop a piece. But I took, and you took the pawn back. In this position, you're supposed to take. Whoa! The computer doesn't even like. Doesn't even like taking a piece back. That's what I would have done. And it's because of this. Oh, it wants F4? That's crazy. Okay. So, and this was your last big mistake, man. Last big mistake was simply, what does he threaten? Well, I threaten your queen, so I'm sorry. So you did see that I'm threatening your queen, but you didn't see that the knight is protecting the bishop. The knights move backwards, and sometimes backward moves are hard to see when you're first learning how to play chess. So that is probably, you know, Kataka, you're doing great, and I'm so proud of the way you played the opening. If you just would have played d6 and castles, man, then you would have played 2 more moves. You would have played, you would just, if you would just castle, and maybe I play, well, I have to develop my pieces, man. These are the rules of playing good chess. If I play d3, you play d6, I might pin your knight, you can pin my knight. And you're still playing like a grandmaster, you know? Simply by following the basic opening principles. And I made a clip, a great video, man, from the stream, and it's on my YouTube channel. Basir, go ahead and send me a 1510, Basir. I don't want to play a 3-minute. I want to play a 1510 if you're okay playing a long game. Barry Medeiros, thanks for the like, and Victor De Leon, thanks for the like. But if you type link, I think it's called links. Let me see. Let's try this. Links. Charly Sardo Gaming on YouTube. There's a video where I go in depth about basic opening principles and explain. People ask me questions like, why do you develop toward the center? And it was the greatest question. And I explain it. I explain all kinds of stuff. There's Bandcamp, YouTube, Charly Sardo. Do I not have my Charly Sardo Gaming? Wow, I've got to add that to this list. Charly Sardo Gaming on YouTube. If you go there, okay, I'm not seeing it. So I will find you, Basir. I got you, Bassie08. I remember you very well. Okay, I sent one to you, Basir. It's weird. There's sometimes with the different windows and stuff, you know. Guys, Basir is a good player, man. He plays good. And so I'm gonna really... Hey, Paul! Yeah, man, how you doing, brother? Welcome back, Paul. Appreciate you. Ooh, let me get to the other screen. I sent you one, Bassie. You don't see it? What do I want to do? I want to come back here. I haven't eaten because I'm excited. Bassie, I sent it, brother. Okay, I'm going to cancel it. And I'm going to send it again. We're going to have this game started here in a minute. If I don't get this thing going, you know what I got to do? I got to make a timer. Because what happens is, somehow with chess.com, it can be weird with I mean, this is Basir, Bassie08, I know him. He said he sent me a challenge. I have no challenge on my screen. Why not? Chess.com. Maybe because there's probably 8 million people playing chess on chess.com right now, right? Mustafa is sending me one. Mustafa, the only reason I'm going to decline is because, well, you know what? I think I might take Mustafa's because Basir's not working. Basir, I'm sorry, but Bassie08, I am sorry, but couldn't get the game. E4, Mustafa. Okay, I will play C5. Gary Robinson asks, hey man, how are you today? Dude, I am wonderful. I'm excited. My brother and sister are on a plane coming to see me from California. And I'm pumped. I'm simply pumped. Joe McCune like the stream. Dan Marham. Dan, welcome back, brother. Welcome back, all you guys. Out of 3, we played D6, right? Yeah, man. And my nephew Brandon. My nephew Brandon is great. My nephew Brandon has Down syndrome, and he's getting older now. I think he might be 18. But if you know people with Down syndrome, they're just nice. They just want to hug and love, and they have a lot more love than we do. You know what I'm saying? And I'm so proud of that boy. He does so good. He rides horses. He goes surfing. He's always getting pictures with really pretty girls too, because there's like pretty girls that donate their time for the Down Syndrome Society and people like that. And so he's always got pictures with like these beautiful young ladies. But my nephew Brandon has a good life. My sister takes such good care of him. She's like the best mom in the freaking world. Can you imagine having a special needs child that you just have to take care of him forever? There's some really good people out there. I'll tell you that. I've thought about doing a charity stream one time too. I want to get bigger. I want to grow the chat a little bit bigger. Yeah, pure souls. Jake says, very nice, happy people. Absolutely pure souls. That's right, man. They don't have that, like the greed and all the stuff, and we have intelligence in our brains on a different plane to where we can think of bad things to do to people and ways to be greedy, and man, they just want to hold your hand and go outside and take a walk in the sunshine. And that's what I'm going to do when Brandon gets here with him. I can't wait. I love that kid. Hey, Brandon, we got another Brandon in the crew too. Thanks, Brandon, for the like, and Tyson, thanks for the like. Charlie Walker, thank you for the like. Joe McCune, love you, man. You just ordered a laptop. That's exciting. Yeah, Basir, I never got your challenge, and then I sent you a challenge, and I waited, and I can't wait too long. I gotta keep the life of the party going, which is this chessboard, right? Yeah, no ego. What? Tell us about your laptop, Paul. Is it? But Bassy, I want to play you, man. Basir, I totally do. Yeah, we just played this game. This is a very similar game to the first one I played. Cool, man. You can. Oh. So what have you been doing, Paul? Like when you play chess now, do you play chess on your phone? Ivo Bowers, like, thank you, Ivo. And Dan Sacedo, welcome back. I remember you, man. I know you guys. Hey, if you're new to the chat, man, type !notify in the comments, and you will follow. You will follow the stream. And any of you guys who haven't done it, click the little bell at the top. That way you know when we go live. You can show up for the party. John Robin Mendoza, thank you for the like. Appreciate you. Brandon asks, how long have I been playing? My best friend at the time taught me when we were like, I think 3rd grade or maybe 4th grade. What was I, like maybe 11 or 11? Younger? 8 or 9? Something like that. See, what Brandon just tried it, but Brandon is already following. But see what Brandon did there? He typed !notify. That will get you on the team. You get some, and if you click the bell, even if you've notified, I think you can also click the bell, and then you'll always know when I go live, because Facebook doesn't tell everybody. Even if you follow, they don't tell everybody. Yeah, so my friend taught me when I was a kid, man, and I didn't have a chessboard. I ran home and made one. I drew squares, and then I cut little pieces of paper out that said pawn, bishop, and I made my own chessboard because I wanted to play so bad. E-castles, it's a good move. Now there's no tactics because he can save his bishop by bishop, so I don't need to take. I think I'm going to play E6 here. I like it better than, well, wait a minute. No, I'm playing E6. So yeah, thanks for the question there, Brandon, about when I started. You're from London, UK. Where in the US are you from, or is it Canada? Brandon asks. And let me read, before I answer that, I want to say Basir said he thinks his internet isn't working. Okay. Yeah, we'll do it again after this, Basir. Thank you, man. So I was born and raised in California. And I'll tell you where. Anyone watch Sons of Anarchy? Sons of Anarchy was filmed literally in my hometown. Like, I watch Sons of Anarchy and I'm like, that's my high school. I used to live on this street. Me and my friends used to hang out there. Like it's my hometown. Like where Donna got killed. Opie's Donna, right? Remember Tig killed her by accident? Sons of Anarchy, anybody? That was right in front of the old City Hall. And there's a park right there, and my mom used to take me to the park all the time when we were kids. Yeah. And let me tell you something too. That town is a biker town. Let me tell you about Tahunga, California. First off, it's beautiful. There's some nice sized mountains. It's on the foothills. There's Foothill Boulevard is the main street. And there's these big, beautiful mountains. I say big. Some people think they're not big. What are they? I don't know how tall they are, so I don't want to start guessing numbers. Yeah, that could be a good move. E5. I think I castle. And so, yeah, and it's funny that they filmed it there because it was a biker town. And some pretty big, not Hell's Angels, but there was a local biker gang called the Devil's Henchmen when I was a kid. And, there was another big motorcycle gang, not the Hells Angels, that had a big presence there. And there was a huge FBI infiltration. They infiltrated the gang. I think it might have been the Mongols. Yeah. And now, one thing I learned very young is, normally, if you don't mess with bikers, normally they won't mess with you, okay? But that's why, like, I don't even like saying those names. Like, don't say their names. I'll tell you. I want to tell you a story already, but I shouldn't. I shouldn't because I'd rather not talk about biker gangs, man. You don't want to make the wrong person mad. You know what I'm saying? This looks like a good move. But there was a big bust over there years ago. Yo, Charlie, your siblings are coming, Ozzy says. Soon, how long? Dude, they're on the plane, man. My sister actually typed hi in chat, and I started talking to her, but she probably didn't have her volume up. And when I finally typed back to her, she didn't answer. So she might have been on some Wi-Fi. Let me see if she sent me any messages. I have to look because I'm only looking at my phone because... What? They're here, man. They just got off the plane. Guys. Woo. Yeah, man. Dude, my brother said they just got off the plane about 7 minutes ago and they're getting the rental car. I am so excited. Okay, that does seriously weaken the C3 square. So we are just going to bring a rook. That probably was the wrong rook. Dang it. Wrong rook. Wrong rook. And it actually hangs pawn. No, not really. Yeah, this is not right, man. I'm actually playing this wrong. Dude, they're on the ground. Okay, I have to turn my ringer on. Because if they call me, yeah, y'all keep your ringer off. I keep my ringer off. You think you might play A4? Okay, and then that's just Andre and Jake chit-chatting. Yeah, man, they're here. I didn't know they landed at 3. I'm so glad I started streaming like an hour ago because I thought they landed like at 4 or something. At 4 or 5. Plays bishop d3. Okay, he's moved his bishop a couple of times, and that's given me some time to do a few things. And I've wasted that time. I've totally wasted that time. Because my queen should be on c7 and my rook should be on d8 and I should be pushing for d5. So he's wasted a couple moves, so I'm just gonna go back to that plan. Let me see. There's d5, e5. I don't have any good discoveries on this unprotected piece. Believe it or not, guys, I'm gonna play queen c7. The problem with d5 I don't like is that he plays e5. That's why queen c7. If you play e5, I'm trying to get some pieces attacking this square, but I still won't be able to play d5. Yeah, this is bad. I'm meandering right now. It's not good. This is not good. Fahim Shariar, thank you for the like. Ronald Konda, thank you, man. Welcome back. And Emmanuel, thanks for the follow, man. Thanks for the follow. Does anyone read Arabic? Can you read this? Can you read that name? Tell me what it says so I can say hi to this guy. Oh, okay. Mustafa commented. He said bishop f1 wasn't my move. I think you're wondering why I did it. Okay, he accidentally played bishop f1, and that's why he brought it back to d3. Fair enough, Mustafa. I get it. Erwin Carl, thank you for the follow. Redak. Thank you, Tony. Thank you, Tony. Redak. Welcome to the stream, Redak. I'm doing nothing here, guys. I'm meandering. Thank you for reading that for me, Tony. Mark Gerald Lucendo has followed. Thank you. It takes him a good hour to drive here. And they'll call me. They will call me if they need to call me. So I'm not doing anything, guys. I'm not doing anything. This is terrible. Play for b5, man. Yeah. Tiffany's here. Tiffany, thank you for the like. And Mark, thank you for the like and the follow. Appreciate that. Enrique de Hora, the man of the hour. Welcome, man. Welcome back. It's an idea. It's an idea, but I don't want to weaken my king side. He plays the knight back. And so now I can play b5. And an idea in this position, maybe if pawn takes, might be able to shove, and that will restrict his knight and also kind of slow him down here. I don't really like my queen here anymore on c7 because of his X-ray attack on the rook, from the rook, right? Knight e4 loses a pawn, right? I mean, it loses the piece. Bishop takes, rook takes. Yeah, I don't see, but Sierra, you probably see something I don't see. Okay, now I can win a pawn with massive more pressure on this file. Knight c4 is an idea, but I will just win a pawn. It's more than an idea, Charlie. It's a move. You know it, man. Hey, I was just talking to our graphic designer. Oh man, why you gotta do that to me? Still feeling it. Still feeling okay. I don't know that I had 94 Basir. If I missed it, yeah, man. I was talking to Nate Dogg about the shirt. Dusty mocked up a shirt with the me and my pink jacket chessboard behind me that Mostafa made for me, and underneath it said "It's a move." And that's going to be our first piece of merch. And he is working on the actual design for it right now. And that'll be the first thing I do, the first piece of merch I make. It'll be a t-shirt. And then I'm going to order one. And I'm going to show it to you guys. And I have to order it first and be sure it's right. Because I don't want to sell you guys a t-shirt. I wanted to play queen here so bad and attack this. This bishop's kind of in my grill, man. I'm not... Oh, wait. What happened? Something moved. Something moved, guys. Does this work tactically? It does. I think I take with the knight. I think I take with the knight. Brandon says, hey, you have a celeb watching. Welcome, Ozzy Osbourne. Yes. And there's also a guy who comes in, Ali Reza Farouja. Do you guys know who he is? He is one of the top grandmasters in the world. He's young, and he's really strong. But it's not really him. But I love the Ozzy, man. In addition to just the cool name, Ozzy actually is he's a cool follower, man. He's followed the stream. He comes in and hangs out with us. He comments. He's got a good attitude. Happy guy. Oh, he can attack the undefended bishop. No, because I can play, no, I can't play bishop here. Okay, good. He didn't do it, and we're just going to go ahead and thank the Lord, and I'm just going to pull this back while I can. Okay, we have successfully won a center pawn. Yeah, Farouj is great, man. I like him. I'm a little bit excited. I might mess the lighting up. I want to open the door because I want to air out the house. I think I'm... Oh, no. Am I getting disconnected? Chess.com, when there's a problem with internet, starts blinking. Yep. Disconnected. I think I lost my internet, guys. Okay, we'll see what happens here. This is terrible, guys. I'm going to lose all my viewers. That's okay, though. You guys will come back. Sucks. Coming back on. Wow. Came back on to 0 viewers. Guys, I'm going to wrap this video up here. My net just bailed out on me, and I lost the game by forfeit. Love y'all, and I'll see you tomorrow. Thank you so much.